You want to go here? You want to play there? You follow the instructor, your coach, okay?
Aww.
Wait, voice lesson para dapat. May new venture si Athena. So, kung kilala nyo kasi si Athena, sobrang playful talaga niyan.
Tumatumbling, tumatalon. Walang lakad sa kanya, puro takbo.
Naka-face the wall ka dyan.
Sige ko muna. Pero masabi mo ba sa gagawin ni Athena ngayon? Bagay?
Bagay sa kanya yan, guys. Sure ako.
Pagkakakilala mo kay Athena, ano ba?
Yung batang tumatanong kahit sa kawa dito, tatanong yan dito. Walang pakikilam.
Parang lalaki yan. Ano kasi siya ngayon niya eh? Gymnast.
Sino magtuturo? Magkagay?
Gym lab. Minessage ko na dati pa. Athena Yulo. You want to be an Olympian? Yes. You want to be an athlete?
Of course.
You want to go here? You want to play there? You follow the instructor, your coach, okay? Are you ready?
Barbie girl. Barbie girl.
Barbie girl pala gusto at papa-gymnast natin.
Pwede naman yun.
Pwede naman yun.
Barbie girl. Barbie girl.
Wait, voice lesson para dapat.
Barbie girl. Barbie girl. Bye-bye.
May new venture si Athena. So, kung kilala nyo kasi si Athena, sobrang playful talaga niyan. Ang tawag...
Ayun. Very playful talaga si Athena. As in, yung mga gusto niya laging tumatumbling, tumatalon. Walang lakad sa kanya, puro takbo. Such an active baby.
Pwede ko i-insert dito kung gaano siya ka-active talaga. And kung gaano ka-playful. Sa Instagram may nakita ako nag-ads tapos yun lumabas yung gym lab. So napanood ko yung video nila, parang gymnast, puro mga toddler pa. Sabi ko bagay si Athena dito. So yun minessage ko. Hindi pa ako nagpaalam kay Wiz, sinasked ko na si Athena.
Okay lang naman.
Oo, yung kinausap ko siya, buti naman okay lang daw. Tapos, ayun, sakto din na nag-gold medal yung fellow Filipino natin na si Carlos Yulo. Congrats. Congrats kasi nakadalawang gold siya. Proud Filipino siya. Sobrang vocal na ako sa inyo na si Athena nga gusto kong maging athlete. Para sa akin kasi pag athlete may discipline. Tapos, ayun.
Ako may tumatahol dyan.
Kasi naman to eh.
Ako, okay naman ako. Kasi nakikita ko naman kasi talaga sa personality ni Athena. Very active talaga siya. Tapos may time na pag nag-workout si Vern, ginagaya niya.
Oh, yung mga push-up ko, no?
Actually, yung pinakauna ko talagang plan kay Athena sana is i-enroll ko siya sa ballet. Pero sa nakikita kong personality niya, feeling ko mas may enjoy niya yung gymnast. Doon hindi pa naman natin alam kasi masyado pa namang maaga to tell. Pero maganda din yung as early as now. Yung pinapa-explore na namin siya sa mga iba't ibang activities para malaman namin kung ano yung pinaka-may enjoy niya. Kasi at the end of the day, dun kami sa kung ano yung pinaka-may enjoy niya.
Are you excited?
Yes. Barbie girl. Barbie girl.
Pre-workout meal. Ay, sorry. Pre-workout ka naman. Pre-workout ka. Mwah!
Can mommy have one?
How about daddy? Can daddy have one?
No.
Oy, please.
Yes.
Wow, binigay. Bigger one, please. Yay, very good.
Lagi kanyang inaasa na. No. Lagi kanyang ginagawa. Kasi lagi mo siyang ninano sa pacifier. Salamin. Ano yan, Magic?
Ang daddy sumayaw, no?
Yari.
Yung tone lang daw. What's that?
Magic.
Magic.
Down here.
We will ride the elevator.
Are you an athlete?
Yes.
Are you an Olympian?
Yes.
Not yet. Have to train for it.
Naka-face the wall ka dyan.
We're matching. We're wearing pink. What's your name? Athena. How are you? You feel good? How are you too? How are you too? I'm good. Backflips today. Wow! We're gonna be in the Olympics in how many years?
Are you an Olympian?
Are you ready? Can you thumbs up? Alright, so we're gonna stand up first. First thing we're gonna do, our warm up. That's so cool. I'm gonna have water bottles now. Careful, okay? Okay. Wow.
This is coming.
This is tumbling. That's tumbling. Okay, all the way down. You're gonna walk all the way there to mommy and daddy. Look, like that, like that. Wait, let's go, let's go. Crawling, butt up, butt up. And like that. Well done. Looking at her skin. Whoa. Good job. Alright, hands on the floor. And up. On your feet. There you go. And walking. Go. Last one. Yes, you're doing a good job. On your feet. Butt up. There you go. Well done. Hands on the floor. Touch the floor. Can you touch the color blue? Touch the blue. There you go. Smell it. Oh, one more. Yeah, blue. And smell your tummy. Are you gonna do your forward roll? Yes, with coach. Smell your tummy. Wow. That's tumbling. Hands up to that. Hands up. Hands up. Hands on the floor. Smell your tummy. Good job. Hands up and finish. Hands up and hands up. Hands up and hands on the floor. Touch the floor. There you go. Smelling your tummy, please. And we're rolling. Hands up and finish round for that. This is your tummy. This is your small tummy. That's your small tummy. Can you give Coach high five? Can you give me a high five? Both hands. And we're gonna put super glue and put it here. Okay. Yeah, super glue on your hands. Whoa. Okay. Now we're gonna land on your, what do you call these, Athena? Feet? You're gonna land on your feet. Coach will help you do your back roll. Okay, ready? Can you count with Coach? On 3. Hold on. 1, 2, and what's next? 3. You're gonna stand up and super glue. Okay, super glue. Feet together. Lift up your butt. Okay, we're gonna count. Super glue on your hands. Hold it. Count with Coach. Ready? Where's your smile first? 1, 2, and then what's next? 3. Hands up and yes? Athena. So good. I can't see Athena. you're matching. The beam. You're matching the beam. You okay? Yes? Yes, on. High five first. Where's your smile? Okay, are you gonna lie down on the floor? And 1, 2, and 3. Stand up. Hands up. Change. Oh, both na lang. It's okay. Okay, and if you're the duck, can you show coach? It's okay. Yung malayo. Alright. Hands up, Athena. Hands up to the... There you go. Wow. Hands on the bar. You're gonna put your arms straight. Good job. And jump. Arms straight. There you go. Stay. Lock your arms. There you go. 1. Can you count to 5? 4 and 5. And feet together. Hands up to the jump. Elbows straight. Good job. Oh, wow. Super strong. Legs together. 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Down. And hands up together. Hands up together. Jump. There you go. Legs together. Yes. 1, 2. Look straight. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And down. And hands up. Ta-da! Wow. Super strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Down. And hands up. Ta-da! 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 Yes. Okay. One more. Up. There you go. Hands on the bar. Good job. Yes. And legs in front. Give me your feet. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
7, 8, 9, 10.
well done. And go. Hands up and ta-da. 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 Where's your smile? Big smile. Yes, you're gonna go hang. Lift up your legs. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Hold tight. 4, 5.
Yes. 7, 8, 9, 10.
And down. Hands up.
Wow.
Right here. Athena, here.
Put it back.
Can you not get that one?
Put it back.
It's wow.
Yes, put it back.
That's what I think for this one. Can you give coach your feet?
Yes.
Yes. Hang. Touch your toes to the ground. Super flexible naman legs.
Wow!
Okay.
Wow!
Well done. And hang on the bar. Hold the bar. No hands. Hold the bar. And hang. Legs to coach. Give your legs to coach. Good job. Toes to the bar. Lift up your legs. Whoa. Whoa. Hold tight. Hold the bar. Hold the bar. Good job. Big smile. Big smile. And down. Hands up, hands up. Ready? Legs in front. Hold tight, okay?
Hold tight.
Toes. You're good. Oh, big smile. Are you smiling even when you're upside down? You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Wow. Oh, recover pa na
Recover.
Hands up and tada! Tada! Hands up and tada! Good job. You want to drink water first?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, sip water.
Here.
Okay, can you show me again the trick of your water bottle? What does it do?
Wow.
Hmm? You're gonna go up. Hands out to the side. Airplane arms, please. And big smile. Yes. Wow, super fast. And drop in a circle. And hands up and tada. Wow, let's do it again. Come on, let's do it again. Okay, big toes. Okay, can Athena go on her own? Whoa, whoa. Wow, super fast. And jump now. Hands up and tada. Where's your tada? Wow. Set. On your own. Hands out to the side, airplane. Thank you. And big jump.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Jump. Hands up and go on your own. Oh wow. Just one hand. Well, that's okay. Let's try to jump. Both feet. 1, 2, 3, jump. Hands up. Athena, let's go. Good job. All the way. All the way. Well done. And we're gonna go into the bridge. We're gonna cross the beam. Get your ball. Get your ball. There you go. Get your ball. Up, 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 up. And walking again. It's okay. We'll get the purple later. Ooh, what happened to your ball? Hands out to the side, airplane. Well done. And we're jumping. 1, 2, jump. Hands up and sit up. Alright, come on, let's go again. Yes, jump. Yes, and go inside. All the way, Athena, go and get the purple ball. Let's see Daddy and Mommy. Hi. Hi. High five. High five. Alright, go get the purple ball. And we're crossing the bridge. Let's go.
Cross the bridge, cross the bridge.
Ready? Ready? All the way. Yes. Hands out to the side. Oh, chop the ball. Ready? Go. Long arms. Airplane arms. And we're jumping. 1, 2, 3. And jump.
Like that.
Yes. So much better. Hands up and well done.
Let me be right by your side, cause I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know me. We can take this somewhere else. You and me can find ourselves. Stop pretending we are lonely. I can't call your bluff, cause I know that this is love. Can't pretend that you don't feel it. People think that you missed. I know you can't resist. Let me make your life easy. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Good job. Good job. Are you tired?
Yes.
Do you want to eat?
No.
Okay.
I want pacifier.
Yes, pacifier. Because you did very good job today. And pwede ka din mag-phone because magaling ka.
Isa lang. Tapos sabi nga dad, ang galing daw ni Athena, sobrang lakas daw. Tapos usually daw sa edad niya, parang 30 minutes pa lang umiiyak na. Kaya nga,
Sa lakas daw beef, diba? Sabi.
sabi pa ang lakas daw ni Athena. Athena!
Wow.
This is coming.
Nag-ads kay Vern. Tapos nakita niya, parang si Athena. Kaya siya nag-book ng ng appointment. Private class. Kala ni Athena nasa Kids Zone na siya.
Olympian.
Diaper si Olympian.
Kailangan maging Olympian ka na para supply ng diaper.
Iba daw parang 20 to 30 minutes lang tinatagal kasi umiiyak.
I get bubu.
Parang ayaw.
Ayaw bubu.
Siya ayaw umuwi.
Sa oras na ayaw po umalis. Parang
Say papa,
sa
pacifier.
Kids Zone na.
Ito, Athena.
Tumbling auntie. Ang nabibigatan na ata sa sarili niya.
Oh, hindi na siya makatumbling.
Ay, ang gano'n niya, sumasabit yung tiyan niya.
Tumaba, kakapizza niya yan. So yun guys, nakauwi na kami. Solid, sobrang galing ni Athena. Para sa first time na mag-gymnast. So balak na namin talaga i-enroll siya, yung group class na. Ngayon lang in-enroll ko siya sa private class para makita lang kung gusto niya or kaya niya. Mukhang sobrang gusto niya. As expected naman talaga. Ulitin ko lang, before pa naman mag-champion si Carlos Yulo, binessage ko na, sakto nga sobra talaga. Nag-champion yung gymnast, pero nag-sponsored post yung gym lab. Then nakita ko din, sabi ko bagay kay Athena to. So yun, minessage ko agad sila.
Sinabi mo sa akin, may appointment ka.
Ay oo, tapos sinabi ko kay Viv na, natatakot pa ako kasi kala ko hindi siya papayag. Bumuelo ako, sabi ko, Viv, okay lang ba? I-enroll si Athena dito. Then gulat ako, pumayag siya.
Hindi naman nagulat, okay naman sa
Kasi syempre gusto mo yung girly stuff. Ayun, thank you for watching and comment down below kung gusto nyo pa makita yung progress ni Athena sa gymnast.